Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So just our daily quick update on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. You guys probably obviously know there's not too much happened, not too much gone on. So DMT is obviously still in the sell. The DMT buy line's come down pretty sharply though, so that is actually only sat at just under 7,000, which is less than $200 away from where the price is now. So that's come down quite a bit. So yeah, so we could potentially get a DMT buy trade if we get a bit of a spike up. On the 25-minute Dominator, 25-minute Dominator actually did go into a buy trade, and I don't think it was a good trade. Yeah, it went basically buy around here, so has now subsequently gone back into a sell. But I'm still working this Dominator short, so I haven't taken this sell signal. I actually turned the bot off because I was short anyway. But what I have done though is, yeah, you guys know I was short, took profit here, was short, took profit again, and then I told you I put orders in to resell. I did resell basically at about 6,900, because I think that's what I told you guys where my orders were, 6,900 and then 6,900 and something, etc, etc. But I did actually, when I could see we weren't really going anywhere, I put on pretty much the full size position on again at 6,900, but then I have now just taken it all off at 6,800 again, because I mean I don't particularly trust weekend action. If we stay here, we're going to have a gap on the CME, which could potentially spike up and fill. So I mean I'm happy with the profit from the trades at the moment, to then wait to see what happens on Sunday evening. But having said that, I do have the same orders in again. So at 6,900 to sell a quarter position, 7,000 to sell a quarter position, and then 7,050, and then I think 7,100 is I think what they are. So and then have a stop basically around 7,250. But we'll see what happens with those orders. I mean, I may pull them if we start to go up fast basically. If we start to drift up, like in a more controlled fashion, I'll be happy maybe taking those trades. But I mean, if we do get a spike up, I'll pull the higher orders. I won't want to just get filled all in one go and then blast through straight to my stop. Obviously the speed the price moves is important, because obviously it means you're gonna likely hit your stop, and obviously that is indicative of the volatility increasing. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. The bots are all currently turned off because I didn't want to take this buy trade, and also I was working the short anyway, so I didn't need the other bots on. So all the bots are currently off at the moment. I could probably show you that. Yeah, look, you can see they're all off here. So they're all off. So it's just a case of waiting to see now, see what happens when the CME is open, see how we look in next week. I mean, I do obviously think we have broken this rising channel and we are going to make our way down. And I don't want to miss being in a position when we do make potentially a big breakdown. So I do feel a bit naked in the moment with me not being short, because I do feel at any point we could drop easily down to 6,500, and then I'll be lucky if I can get shorts on around this level maybe. We'll see. So yeah, so that's Bitcoin. Over to Ethereum, see how our friend Ethereum's doing. So yeah, that obviously had its DMT sell, still under that sell level. You would have taken profit on that trade if you'd had the bot activated. Yeah, Ethereum entered a buy trade, which I personally wouldn't have entered. Even if I was trading this with Dominator, I would have had that bot turned off. And then yeah, we had a great sell trade on Ethereum, literally telling us to sell just here at 171. So that pretty much went straight down, nearly 11%. So I think we went through that yesterday anyway. So. But yeah, great dominant sell. Yeah, I mean, if I wasn't sure anyway, Bitcoin, I would have, because you guys know that I'm thinking we could break down out this wedge at any point. So I'm overall bearish for the next big move. Not necessarily overall bearish on Bitcoin medium or longer term, but especially with the halving coming in. I mean, it's got to have some of a positive effect, hasn't it? But I am for the next move, the next major move, I am leaning bearish on. So I would have been more inclined to take a short there. But anyway, so remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, I'll be back at you guys tomorrow with another video, and I'll speak to you all soon.